to add SPORE, the SPORE token to Trust Wallet. Now, first of all, make sure to open this token in CoinGisco. Now after that, open, or before that, just copy the token address as you can see, and make sure that this token address is under Solana network. Now just go and open your Trust Wallet from here. Now log into your accounts. And now we will add this token to Trust Wallet. Now just go and click on Manage Crypto. Now click on the plus icon from here. Now from here, select the network as Solana. Just scroll down until you find the Solana network. So this is it. Now paste the network, the token address as you can see, and this is our token as you can see. Now just click on add token. And now if you want to make sure that you add the token correctly or successfully, click here to switch the token to the network to Solana. Just scroll down until you find the Solana network. As you can see, this is it. Just click on it to switch the network to Solana. Now after that, let's scroll down. Now as you can see, this is our token added here. So this is how to add this SPORE token to Trust Wallet. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.